Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Pinterest app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of Pinterest app, you will click on Settings. In this page, you can click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. When above, you can search about Pinterest like this. Then you can click on First Stop, and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage, and here you can click Clear Cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.